Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Tinder Plus Gold or Platinum is not working, follow these steps to restore it. First of all, make sure you're logged in into the correct Tinder account. Then go ahead and make sure that your subscription is linked to one account only. Check your payment status in the App Store or Play Store. Open App Store, Play Store, go to the profile icon and check that your payment status in the App Store or Play Store. Expired or failed payments disable features. Then resort your purchases from Tinder settings. This reloads your subscription benefits. Now log out of Tinder and log back in. This refreshes your account status. If the subscription still does not work, reinstall the Tinder app by long press on the Tinder app icon, then remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, head over to the App Store, search for Tinder, and then make sure to update your app from there if the subscription does not work. Now, after reinstalling it, to contact Tinder support if your payment was successful but features are missing, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.